In 2132, space traveling is commonplace, and the company Ambercop sends out ships to mine other planets and capture alien creatures to bring back to Earth as a food source. There's a legend that talks about white space, a place where supposedly a person can get cleansed of all their impurities. It has no disease and no suffering, only clarity. To this day nobody has reached this place because it's protected by a giant creature known as Ten Lung. One day two space hunters manage to find Ten Lung. Captain Bentley opens fire, but Ten Lung's mate blocks the shot with her scales. Hawthorne comes out wearing a special suit and aims at the mate's weak spot on her neck, managing to kill her. This enrages Ten Lung, who starts chasing after Hawthorne while Bentley gets ready to attack again. However, his shot misses and he loses control of the ship as a bright light suddenly shines behind it. Then Ten Lung attacks the ship, blowing it up and killing Bentley. 24 years later, Lynn lands her bike outside a restaurant but can't go inside because there's a guard at the door. She works for the ICE, or Interstellar Conservation Enforcement. Inside the building, Bentley's son Richard is having a meeting with a shady businessman, who keeps a creature known as Crazy Bug inside a glass. This man has a map with all the locations where Ten Lung has been seen through the years and offers a juicy reward for the creature's body. At that moment the guard comes in to tell them they're being watched by the ICE and the businessman thinks Richard has set them up. The guard grabs Richard by the neck and the businessman tries to insert the bug in his ear, but Richard knocks it off his hand. Then he grabs a fork and gets the guard off by stabbing him. Another guard comes after him and manages to kick him, but he knocks her out with a vase. The businessman breaks a chair on Richard's back and hits him a few times until Richard tackles him down. They land on a table and Richard starts beating the businessman up, who breaks a bottle and tries to stab him with it. Seeing the bug nearby, Richard pushes the man's face down and the bug enters through his nose, keeping him down by causing great pain. A third guard tries opening fire but now Richard can just grab the map and leave. Seeing this, Lynn leaves as well. 3 months later Lynn is getting ready to work undercover in the Essex spaceship. Her agent records have been wiped clean, and now she must pretend to be a mining and fishing escort with a supply order.